Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bobby Stryker. I'm the founder of Flow Physique Factory here at 3F.Energy. I'm also the clinical director of Rescue.sg, a home visiting doctor service in Singapore. So yes, I'm an actual medical doctor and I've been practicing medicine for almost 20 years now, both in the UK where I'm from and also in Singapore. So I have a background in family medicine and I've been helping my patients lose weight successfully and keep it off for almost 20 years now. And one of those patients was actually me. So I've come through my experiences and I've learned a great deal and combined that with all the latest research and science out there to make sure it's all filtered out to give you a very focused and efficient program through Flow to help you get into shape, lose fat and keep it off successfully. I've helped a lot of patients, my own patients over the years, and I've learned a lot of things through helping them about yo-yo dieting, difficulties they've had, losing weight and still not being happy with their body image, how to keep the weight off and then be happy with it. And there's a lot of nuances to this, and all the research and everything that's out there, filtering it, removing the noise, cutting down to the essence of it to give you a very focused and efficient plan to give you sustainable results. That's what Flow Physique Factory is all about. It's about getting the results you want through real science-based, evidence-based, proven methods, and then being able to keep those results. This isn't going to offer you a customized 8-week plan. How can you offer an 8-week plan when everyone has a different starting point? It doesn't make sense. And this isn't about cutting out food groups, things which are not sustainable. We don't want you to look good and feel good just for a few weeks and then rebound. This is going to be an evidence-based approach to deliver sustainable results. And it's not going to be all full of science and jargon. I've taken care of all of that so you don't have to. This is just going to give you what you need to get the results you want. And you're going to have a good time doing it, yeah? It's going to be designed and planned around the lives of real people so you can customize your own plan. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get into it. Let's get into the Flow Physique Factory. Let's get into the Flow method. Okay guys, the Flow Cookbook. This is the final piece, the missing piece of the puzzle to deliver you undeniable, sustainable, long-term fat loss and fitness gains. Now, you might have heard a lot of things, you're not sure what to do. This is going to really clarify it and crystallize what you need to do. The key to long-term sustainable results is basically eating foods which are delicious, that are going to fill your stomach, but are much, much lower calories than the high street version. Just think about it. Those meals that you know and love, the taste, that's what causes us to rebound. We want to be able to eat food that we enjoy. So it's not about starvation tactics, it's not about going full low carb and keto, things like that, cutting out food groups, which in the long term are not sustainable. Trust me guys, I did keto for about 5-6 years and there's a reason why I stopped. And now I'm in the best shape of my life. And you can be too. And we show you how with our cookbook. You don't need to be a Michelin-starred chef or an expert in the kitchen. I am not for sure. And running a 24-hour health service, round the clock, I have very little time to prepare foods, but using my own recipes and my cookbook, I can do it, okay? And if I can do it, being how I am in the kitchen, basically out of my element, you can do it too, guys. It's simple enough for anyone to follow, to prepare giant portions of delicious foods, but they're so much lower in calories compared to our usual meals that the weight loss just happens by itself. High protein meals, so that we're leveraging the thermic effect of food, so you're burning off a lot of those calories in digestion itself, making it so much easier to stay in a calorie deficit. High protein, high fiber, high taste, delicious meals, easy to prepare, quick to prepare. This is the missing piece of the puzzle. This is going to allow you to achieve your body transformation and then finally keep it. And once you pair this with our other manuals, that's it. You're set for life. Enjoy it, enjoy your meals, enjoy your results, guys. This is it. So there you go, guys. For years, I thought I could only help my own patients, but now through Flow, I can help you wherever you are. You really don't need a celebrity personal trainer, personal chef, motivational speaker, nutritionist. Our plans have done all of the hard work, so you can do it all yourself. Your curated personal body transformation plan, it's all right here. And to complement that, we've got our newsletter and our social media pages and our blog where you can see all the latest information. We deliver it to you so you can continue your transformation journey. If you want to follow us, please do so. If you want to see a different side of the team, check out our medical page, rescue.sg. You can see the behind the scenes medical activity and the doctoring stuff that we do visiting our patients. So I really hope you enjoyed the plans and the methods that we presented to you. Please send us your body transformations. We can't wait to see them. Take care, guys. We'll see you all soon.